friends, we're going to talk about Earth Day. Earth Day is a day where you just celebrate Earth and do things that you could possibly do to save the planet. So talk with your family about what you can do, such as recycling, throwing out garbage. You talk with your family about that. Here's an Earth Day scavenger hunt. Scavenger hunts are one of my favorite things that we can do. Here is some tracing. You can either trace it or you can do some cutting. Then there is this fun game here. These are bottles, water bottles or whatever kind of bottles, and then a recycling bin. So you're going to cut these out. You can leave this the way it is. You can color it. You can do whatever you want with it. You're going to need your dice. So you're going to roll the dice. I have 2. So I'm going to put 2 bottles in the recycling bin. Then the next person will have a turn, and the next person. This is a really fun game. Besides using our numbers for counting, you can learn about taking turns. Have lots of fun, friends. Bye.